Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube video related to StormGain. This is Scramble from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and today we're going to take care of the process of putting a stop loss and a stop profit feature. So we're going to learn how to do this professionally and understand the entire process. Make sure you follow me step by step. Until that, I do want to know if you have an account, because if you don't have an account, you can get a nice bonus plus less fees and commissions that you have to pay to the platform by using the link located in the description area or comments here of this video to sign up. Great. So once you have your account sorted out and you're ready to trade, either with real money or virtual money from the demo account, which is something you can definitely do by clicking on this arrow right here and then turn on your demo. This way you're going to have 50,000 USDT where you can test a lot of the features, for example the stop loss and the stop profit one as well. Do first with demo and then you'll do it on real money on your real trades. That's my suggestion. We're going to look at the first instrument here where we're going to share with you in a tutorial how to do this. BTC paired up with the USDT, and we're going to open up a trade right here on this green button. I'm going to go long on the trade, which means I need to buy the market. So the first thing I have to do is I need to make sure the trade amount is selected correctly. I'm going to put here $1,000. I'm going to have a multiplier of leverage 10, which means that my order is going to worth $10,000. This is going to be the commission I'm going to pay. And then what I have to do is I need to click on this arrow next to the limit profit and loss, which is going to open up two options. I need to check both of them and put here the percentage, but I don't need to put a percentage. I actually need to put the amount of money I'm looking to have my order stopped and sold when it's in profit with, depending how much I'm going to put in, plus when I would like my order to be closed when it is in a loss, depending on how much I put over there. So our trade amount is 1,000, guys. Now, when out of this 1,000, you have $300 profit, you're going to have 1,300. So basically your profit is going to be plus 30, just like it says it over here. When out of this 1,000, then it's going to cost you to open up the trade. You have a loss of $300 that you can basically have your stop loss triggered automatically and your order is going to be closed. You're not going to have any other losses down the road. Now, for example, I want to have my profit at 500 bucks. If the market is going up as I'm predicting and I have 50% profit on my $1,000 cost to open up the trade, which is actually worth 10,000 because we have the leverage of multiplier 10. So when I succeed making this 500 bucks on top of my 1,000, I'm going to have my profit limit set automatically. It's going to be triggered. It's be fine, ready to go. But my losses, when I already in a position of losing 100 bucks, I don't want to lose more. I want to limit this thing down to $100. So that's where I'm going to put this. Now, you don't need to take the auto increase. You need to leave it like that. What you have to do next is click on buy. It has opened it up and you have here your trade, guys. If you click on your trade, you will see your report conditions and the specified value for your profit plus your loss that you can basically adjust. You can adjust by, for example, putting here 550 and then click save, putting here 120, right? Or 100, 120, yes. And then clicking save. It shows you very nicely what does it mean to your amount of money invested in percentage. Very, very nicely, guys. So that is awesome. Now, that's what you have to do with your trade. You click on the exit. So you don't be afraid to click on this X button right here on the top right corner. It's not going to close down your trade. You're not clicking close trade. You're clicking right here on the top right corner, which means to close down the tab, not your trade. If you want to close down your trade before the time, because right now you're pretty much set. You can sleep, you can go on holidays, you can do whatever you want. you're set to go. You have a stop profit and a stop limit. If the market is going up, touching your stop profit exactly at the time you have selected, your order is going to be sold and you have ended up trading a nice profit. Well, if your order is going down and you are in a loss, in order to protect yourself and gain security, you put a stop limit. So once it's touched, your order is going to be sold automatically and you're not going to lose towards that. That's the way to go, guys. Beautiful. That's pretty much all about this video. For those who are looking to find out more about my coaching program and learn how to trade, make sure you check out scrambocoaching.com, which is the website where I'm talking about my private coaching program. A sort of a way, full coaching from A to Z, which is running during 4 weeks of intensive private coaching with lifetime support. Make sure you watch the video where I'm explaining how it works. Register now if you want to have a conversation with me on Skype, because this is one-on-one coaching where I'm taking care about you personally. We've been trading since 2014 and we've been doing this full time. Now I want to give back to the market. I want to give back to my community right here on YouTube and have a coaching program set up with them in order to do something for people instead of just for the money. Right? So thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you have questions, drop them in the comments area. Thank you and have a great day.